Hello everyone. So here we'll start with question number 21, which says that consider the following reaction and the statements. So CuNH3 whole 4 Br2 and plus anion plus Br minus, which goes to CuNH3 3 Br3 plus NH3. So our given options are two isomers are produced if the reactant complex ion is a cis isomer. Two isomers are produced if the reactant complex ion is a trans isomer. Only one isomer is produced if the reactant complex ion is a trans isomer. And only one isomer is produced if the reactant complex ion is a cis isomer. So first we will draw the diagram of the resultant. So we have 3NH3 with an ion and another NH3 here and 2Br3. So we will have a cis isomer formed. So we will further, after the reaction, we will have NH3 NH3 and same NH3 and Br. Then another type will be NH3 Br and a Br. This will be Mer and this will be Fac. So we will see another options also. So NH3 bromine, and this will be a trans and Mer isomer. So we can see that we have two isomers here and cis isomers. We have two isomers. So we will go with the answer number 1. Two isomers are produced if the reactant complex ion is the cis isomer. So we see that we had cis isomer, therefore we have two isomers. Thank you.